If there's a firmament, what is it made of? Here's the real problem. Nobody can agree on what the firmament might be. Some say it's made of crystal, others say it's water, frozen solid at unimaginable pressure. Ancient cultures described it as a hard, shiny surface separating the heavens from the earth. Doesn't that sound suspiciously like what science today calls the Kármán line? That invisible boundary where flight supposedly ends and space supposedly begins. Why is there a line at all if space is infinite? Now let's talk solutions. Because if this dome is real, the answer to what it's made of may already be hidden in plain sight. When meteors streak across the sky, aren't we told they're burning up in the atmosphere? But what if they're actually colliding with a barrier above us? And the fiery streaks are just fragments scraping against that surface. That would make way more sense than rocks randomly flying billions of miles, entering just the right spot in our sky, and burning for us to watch. Want a stronger clue? Look at Operation Fishbowl, a series of high-altitude nuclear tests the military carried out in the 1960s. Why would governments aim giant explosions upward instead of at each other? Could they have been testing the strength of something above us? Even the name Fishbowl feels like a wink at the idea of us living inside one. If the sky is just empty space, what were they trying to hit? And here's another example. Sound. Pilots have reported hearing strange booms and echoes at high altitudes like they're bouncing off something. If the atmosphere just fades into a vacuum, what's there to bounce off? That's not a conspiracy theory, that's physics. Sound doesn't just create echoes unless there's a surface. So let's circle back. If the firmament exists, maybe it's not glass or ice or crystal. Maybe it's a combination of layers, like tempered material we can't fully understand yet. A barrier that's been keeping humanity in its place all along. Which means the real question isn't just what it's made of, but who put it there and why. You see, asking questions like this doesn't mean you have all the answers. It just means you're not swallowing everything the system spoon feeds you. And maybe, just maybe, the fact that so many people laugh at the idea of a firmament without ever researching it themselves is the biggest clue of all, because truth doesn't need protection. Lies do. So now I'll leave it with you. If there's a firmament, what is it made of? Is it water, ice, crystal, or something far beyond our imagination? Whatever it is, it makes one thing clear: our world isn't what we've been told. And if you want to keep digging into these mind-blowing questions, follow this page and watch the other videos here. Because the more you question, the clearer the truth becomes. This is for entertainment purposes.